They say that music is the language of the soul. And today, as we celebrate International Music Day, we are reminded that music doesn't just fill the air, it fills our hearts and brings memories to life. In today's episode of Beyond the Arch, we will go beyond melodies and memories to relive the journey of a Thomasian whose music continues to echo beyond the walls. I am your host, Lian Tugay, and join me here as we uncover the story that strikes all the right notes.
It is a huge pleasure that I introduce our esteemed guest for today. He is a proud batch 2014 graduate from the Conservatory of Music, and he has performed both as a solo artist and ensemble guitarist, captivating audiences locally and internationally, with performances in Spain, the United States, Taiwan, and Malaysia. With that, we warmly welcome back to UST, Mr. Rafael Ronquillo.
Hello.
How are you feeling, Sir Rafi? Kamusta po?
Thank you. Medyo, may konting nostalgia.
Sakto po kasi ang una ko pong tanong sa inyo, no? How does it feel to be back on campus again? Like seeing the same places that once ignited your love for music?
Weird kasi iba na yung itsura niya. So, siyempre, nag-develop na yung lugar. May mga meaning kasi sa akin to dati. Actually, ito, classroom ko to.
Wow.
Yung pakiramdam ng classroom na to, mabigat sa akin Kasi lahat ng klase ko dito, kundi 7, 8 a.m. Tapos, ito yung mga poster na yan. Kasi yung piano, especially yung mga posters, lalo na yung matagal na. Tapos, yung mga classroom sa gilid, usually, yung malapit na classroom dito sa office. Classroom ng pag lower year, mga first year, second year. So, naalala ko yung mga Filipino namin noon o kaya Natsay, gano'n. May gano'n to ba? Iba na, no? Iba
Parang MOF tatawag.
STS na yan.
STS, tama.
Na yun, dati wala pa yun. Parang pinag-isa na nila. So anyway,
So you were able to go around na po to the campus and this building, of course. May nostalgia yung feel.
galing sa baba. Pero parang recently rin, bumisita ko yung buong campus sa Halos Angika po.
Siyempre, nami-miss nyo rin po yung mga friends before blockmates. Professors even.
Weird kasi nagamit ko na yung faculty restroom So bawal ako doon. Yung pantry parang, off limits. Kahiya-hiyang pumasok dati sa faculty room
Tsaka yung elevator din po, sir. I think it's worth mentioning.
Dati nakakasakay naman kami. Depende. May mga times lang na nagiging community rin siya So minsan, madalas kami naman nakakasakay.
Wow. Grabe, ganito po pala yung feels niya nung nandito sa classroom, kakabahan kapag may klase or excited. For the second question po, Sir Rafi, what is one valuable lesson you've carried with you during your stay here at the university?
Yung pinaka-important for me na tinuro nung si teacher ko doon, si Sir Ruben Reyes. Hindi siya one complete thing lang Gusto ko sabihin yung perspective ko, pero hindi rin siya yung perspective. Pero yung kung ano yung meaning sa akin ng everything na ginagawa namin from kung ano yung notes, yung meaning sa akin ng notes, kung ano yung meaning sa akin mag-perform, ano yung meaning sa akin ng yung responsibility to perform, yung meaning ng mag-aral ng piece or meaning ng pag-prepare. Na-instill niya sa akin yung yung seriousness ng lahat na yon. Ang gusto niya makita namin yung idea, yung yung maintindihan ng tao, ano yung may experience ng tao. Doon nag-e-expand siya sa iba-ibang topic So I think kung hindi ko kaya ko sinasabi yun yung pinaka-important. Kasi yun yung naging foundation ko as a musician. So kahit yung further studies ko, pag tinitignan ko siya that way, sobrang iba yung experience para sa akin. Na feeling ko, kung wala yon hindi as effective yung mga napag-aralan ko or yung mga inaaral ko. Hindi ko sila absorb as much.
Ang ganda po na-appreciate ko rin po parang you see beyond the notes. Sakto sa show natin Beyond the Arch.
Ayun, Beyond the Arch, diba?
So maganda po nagkakaroon ng meaning behind. And maraming salamat po for answering that question. Marami po ako natutunan kahit di po ako musician myself. See beyond the things. And with that, let's first have a quick icebreaker with our very own Tiger Trails.
Office namin to dati. Doon, tambayan ng mga brass. Dating student council. Tapos dyan, elevator, tambayan, mga hagdan, puro tambayan. Dito kami lahat nag-enlist ng klase. O Sir Hermie, teacher ko yan sa solfeggio, music theory, counterpoint. Trati akong lagot dyan eh. First year pa lang ako, nandito na yung mga poster na yan. Sir June Haranilla. Marami ako naging klase dito eh. So minsan, halo-halo. Kumakanta kami, susulat. Tapos tumutugtog din. So may time din na nagigitara ako dito. I think nag-exam na kami ng guitar dito. Parang na-miss ko lahat ng yung mga natututunan ko dito. Everyday may natutunan kang bago sa practice, sa teachers mo. So definitely sobrang nakaka-miss yung yung UST. At kung sa mga music students or mga musicians, kung nanonood kayo ngayon, ibig sabihin hindi kayo nagpa-practice. So, mag-practice na kayo. I miss UST.
In this game, Sir Rafi, we will be testing your Thomasian spirit and musical memory through a treasure hunt-inspired challenge. We've hidden 4 pieces of a musical score around the campus. Your goal is to find all the missing pieces using the clues that we will be giving. Each clue will lead you to the next spot. Once you've found all 4 pieces, you'll put them together to complete the song. Malinaw po ba, sir?
Malinaw.
For the first clue is look behind the seat of the one who leads the talk.
Meron na akong clue. Clue lang.
Okay, meron ka ng clue. Congratulations po. Nakuha niyo na agad ng first clue. Wala pang 5 seconds. Galing. Okay. Okay, Sir Rafi, bago tayo pumunta sa clue number 2, gusto ko lang tanungin, no? Since nandito tayo, nung nag-aaral pa kayo dati, dito, saan kayo usually tumatambay, kumakain?
Tambayan namin hindi dito kasi takot kami sa mga teacher eh. Doon kami sa 3rd floor. So, andun yung mga bag namin nakakalat. Buong araw kami doon nakatambay. Doon na rin kami kumakain.
Okay, Sir Rafi, ready ka na ba para sa second clue natin?
Ready na.
Okay, for the second clue, ito ang clue. Find the big letters that sings without a sound.
Big letters that sings without a sound. Sige. Ang hirap naman ito. Pero sige, gets ko yung clue number 2.
Okay, congratulations, Sir Rafi. Nakuha na niya ang clue number 2. Alright, Sir Rafi, malapit na po tayo. Ito ang third clue natin. Your next note rests where black and white create harmony.
Ang lalim naman nun. Ito na yung next clue sa tingin ko. UST hymn ba to?
Congrats, Sir Rafi. Nakuha mo na ang third clue. One last clue na lang ang hinahanap natin. Game. O, tara, punta po tayo. Okay, malapit mo na makamit ang tagumpay, Sir Rafi. Ito ang fourth clue. I think pinakamahirap to eh. The fourth clue is sometimes the hidden tone rests under where paper fall and where hands work above.
Mas malalim pa yun natin.
Malalim na, mahaba pa po yun. Galing ah. Paano mo nalaman yan, sir?
Hindi ko rin alam eh, yung clue.
Yung clue?
Where paper falls. Okay. Sige, mukhang may idea na ako kung ano talaga to. Sa hindi UST hymn to.
Congratulations, Sir Rafi. Nakuha mo na ang 4 na clue. So, dapat alam mo na ang song. Okay? At ngayon, sir, nag-partner mo na lahat ng 4 clues. So, meron ka na ba idea kung ano yung song?
Sa tingin ko lang, Can't Help Falling in Between.
In between? Parang hindi ko po alam yun.
Falling in Love.
Wow, tama. Okay, there you have it. Congratulations. Pero, parang hindi po. December Avenue. And then, tanong ko, sir, meron bang meaning sa yung Can't Help Falling in Love? Baka college, kantahan mo.
Pang-gig yan dati. Kumikita kami ng pera pag tinutugtog namin.
Sa kanta. So memorable.
Memorable yan.
Galing, galing. Salamat po, Sir Rafi. No? Each note you discovered today reminds us that music lives in every corner of this campus, literally, kasi nasa ilalim, nasa piano. So, nag-enjoy po ba kayo, sir?
Enjoy.
Thank you for joining our little adventure, Sir Rafi. Before you bid your farewells, do you have any final words or anything that you would want to promote po?
Nothing immediate na parating, pero yung bukod dun sa performing yung mga engagements ko, meron din kaming guitar ensemble, yung Silangan Chamber Guitar Ensemble. So, we have a concert this December sa Manila Pianos. And siguro, more than that, gusto ko i-shout out si teacher ko, Sir Ruben, the late Sir Ruben Reyes. Pumanaw na siya a few years ago, pero the best ka, sir. Thank you, Sir Ruben.
As we conclude today's episode, we are reminded that music has a way of bringing us to the places, the people, and the memories that once shaped us. Once again, I am Lian Tugay, and thank you for tuning in to Beyond the Arch, where memories are waiting to unfold and stories are longing to be told.